Welcome to solving absolute value equations, part 4, and this will be solving multi-step absolute value equations advanced. We'll say it's advanced because it adds an extra simplification step in here. Alright, so let's get going. The first thing we want to look at doing, remember when we're looking for absolute value solutions, is the thing we're going to do first is to simplify. Remember when we simplify, we're trying to get the absolute value by itself. And then number 2 is we're going to check that b is greater than or equal to 0 to see if we can find solutions to x, or u, or y, or v, or w, whatever it gives us. So the first thing I want to do is simplify. So I have the absolute value of u plus 4 minus 28 equals negative 11. Now at first this doesn't look like it's going to work out well because right now the b is not greater than 0. But I can simplify, so to get u plus 4 by itself, I'm going to add 28 to both sides. What that's going to give me is u, the absolute value of u plus 4, equals 28 minus 11, which is 17. Now I can check whether or not my b is greater than or equal to 0, so I would say 17 is greater than or equal to 0, and it is. So I need to look at u plus 4 equals positive 17, and u plus 4 equals negative 17. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. U equals 13. I'm going to subtract 4 from here. U equals negative 21. So these are my two solutions, 13 and negative 21. Let's go look at example A. The first thing I'm going to do is simplify, so I'm going to have 2, the absolute value of 3y minus 2 plus 33 equals 5. To simplify, I first need to subtract 33 from both sides. That'll give me 2 times the absolute value of 3y minus 2 equals negative 28. This is not a good indicator at first, but let's finish simplifying to see if this 2 cancels the negative sign. I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides, and that will give me 3y, the absolute value of 3y minus 2 equals negative 14. I need to check whether or not b is greater than or equal to 0. B is negative 14, so I'll say negative 14 greater than or equal to 0. And that is not greater than or equal to 0. So we don't have a solution here. So we can say nope and no solution. So please remember to simplify and check b greater than or equal to 0 when we do these problems. And you can come up with 2 answers. It's okay. So simplify, b is greater than or equal to 0. Good luck.